Hey guys, welcome back. So in this one, we're actually gonna talk about gift giving idea number 2. So which is custom, and we love custom. So this is great for, really celebrating the grandkids, your kids, nephews, nieces, everybody in the family that that is really close to you, celebrating with their birthstones on a ring or a pendant, things like that. Engravable options, it's really up to you. But again, it's custom, so time is of the essence. So this time next week, May 8th, we need to have everything in. We can do it, but plan ahead. We'll take care of it, customize, engrave, birthstones, you name it. But again, deadline is May 8th. So let's just dive right into what I mean by custom. Whether it's traditional, or a little bit more contemporary, we got it covered. So whether it's a ring with a few kids or 5 kids, I mean, you could really make it your own. Pendants, everything, your color choice of metal, whether it's rose gold, white gold, yellow gold, those types of things. So going over here, if you do something a little bit more in the contemporary, very cool to do. So this pendant, you can literally do it all. Whether you want to do the custom engraving with the names, nicknames, their color birthstones, things like that, you could do without and just do engraving. It's really up to you. Again, different types of colored metals. You can really just have fun with it and just make it your own. This is it for gift giving idea number 2, which again is custom. This is a great thing to do this year for mom. Whether you missed it last year or didn't have time to do it the year before, this is your call to action. I got you covered, just giving you a deadline of May 8th to come in and get her something very unique and custom built specifically for her.